Hi everyone, it's Christine at Zeidman Development, and today I'd like to walk you through one way that you could import a split gift alongside non-split gifts in the same import. So this does depend on how your data source or your Excel file is set up. In my example, we have one column in our spreadsheet that has the full gift amount. It's called gift amount. We have a second column called amount 1 for our gifts that are split. That's the first amount of the split, and it's also the full amount of the gift for the gifts that are not split. We also have amount 2 and amount 3, and those are only populated on gifts that are split. So let's go ahead and start by looking at the gift mapping. So we do have the total gift amount in the amount field on this mapping. And I have just given this a default fund. So you could use a source field. I'm working with the default for right now. So you can also see, let's start with split 1 here. Split 1, I'm working with that amount 1 column, and I did select the same fund for this that I did for the overall gift mapping. So this is going to give you this single gift that is not split for our gifts that are not supposed to be split, because the full amount of those gifts is listed in the amount 1 column. But for my gifts that are supposed to be split, there's only a partial amount in that amount 1 column. So we have that mapping. Then we have our split 2 mapping that has amount 2, and then it has the building fund. And then we have split 3 that has the amount 3, and it has the Connor Tree Farm Initiative. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this, and let's take a look at the batch that I've already imported to, so you can see what that looks like in the batch. So you can see here I've got 4 gifts, and then I've got the first and the last gift are split, the 2 in the middle are not. So if we open the split on the first gift here, you can see we have the Delaney Dance Scholarship at 20 pounds, the Building Fund at 30 pounds, and the Connor Tree Farm Initiative at 10 pounds. So that gift has been split, but we can see the row below that has not been split. And you can tell that very easily because there's no semicolon there. There's only one fund listed. We come down to our next 2, you can see it's repeated this again. We do have the third gift is not split, but the fourth gift is also split. So if we want to go ahead, click on that row, we can look at our split again. We do have the same format that we had on the first gift. So I hope that this is helpful in giving you an idea of how you could work with these gifts. I know it does depend on how your data is set up. So if your data is set up differently than it was in this example and you need some help, if you have support, please reach out to our team. We'd be glad to help you. Thank you.